Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainment and Cultural Activities. Today we are going to learn and I am going to teach you Kamakshi Stotra. This is a fantastic devotional stotra composed by Kanchi Paramacharya Sri Chandrasekharendra Swamigal. So this is full of devotion and a lot of people are benefiting by chanting this stotra every day. It's a fantastic stotra full of rhyming words and devotion. So let us begin the stotra, my dear friends. In this video, I am going to give you the full lyrics and I am going to render this beautiful song, stotra. And then in the upcoming video, I will give you the verbatim meanings. So before that, we will just enter into short prayers now. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha, Om Lam Lambodraya Namaha, Om Ram Ramapate Namaha, Om Ram Ramaya Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namah, Pitrubhyo Namah, Rushibhyo Namah, Munibhyo Namah, Om Acharyebhyo Namo Namah, Sarvebhyo Devi Devatabhyo Namo Namaha. So we're done with the prayers, my dear friends. We'll enter into Kamakshi Stotra, fantastic lyrics, beautiful rhyming words, full of devotion. So I'm going to render this song now. I'm going to give the lyrics also. Here I go on the YouTube screen. Lyrics will come. People can follow and chant along with me. Kamakshi Stotram, composed by Kanchi Paramacharya Sri Chandrasekharendra Swamigal. Here I go. Mangalacharane Mangalavadane Mangaladayini Kamakshi Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. This is the first shloka. Fantastic, isn't it, my friends? So we'll move on to the second shloka now. Kashta Nivarini Ishta Pradayini Dushta Vinashini Kamakshi. Simple lyrics, fantastic rhyming words. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. So this Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. This repeats in every shloka. This is the second padam of every shloka, the third and fourth padam of every shloka, second half. So likewise, this stotra goes on, fantastic. Now we will enter into third shloka. Himagiri tanaye mama hrudi nilaye, Himagiri tanaye mama hrudi nilaye, Sajjana sadaye Kamakshi. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. Fantastic, isn't it? So after three shlokas, we have to repeat the first shloka. It is like this. Mangala Charane Mangala Vadane Mangaladayini Kamakshi. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. Mangala Charane Mangala Vadane Mangaladayini Kamakshi. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll move to fourth shloka now. That is Grahanuta Charane Gruhasuta Dayini, Grahanuta Charane Gruhasuta Dayini, Navanava Bhavate Kamakshi. Grahanuta Charane Gruhasuta Dayini, Navanava Bhavate Kamakshi. Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam Kunjara Janani Kamakshi. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So now we are moving on to fifth shloka now. Fifth shloka is like this. शिवमुख विनुते भव सुखदायिनि शिवमुख विनुते भव सुखदायिनि नव नव भवते कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Fantastic. So we are moving on to sixth shloka now. That is भक्त सुमानसताप विनाशिनी भक्त सुमानसताप विनाशिनी मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Lovely, fantastic, my dear friends. Now we are moving on to seventh shloka. Seventh shloka is like this. वेद वेदांत वाक्य विनोदिनी वेद वेदांत वाक्य विनोदिनी देवी पराशक्ति कामाक्षी देवी पराशक्ति कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Lovely, my dear friends, super fantastic. Now we are moving on to eighth shloka. Eighth shloka is like this. परशिव जाये वरमुनि भाव्ये परशिव जाये वरमुनि भाव्ये अखिलांडेश्वरी कामाक्षी अखिलांडेश्वरी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Lovely, fantastic again, my dear friends. Now we are moving on to ninth shloka. Ninth shloka is like this. That is the final shloka. So it is like this. हरिद्रा मंडलवासिनी नित्य मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी हरिद्रा मंडलवासिनी नित्य मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Now we will take up the first shloka again. So it is like this. मंगलचरणे मंगलवदने मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी मंगलचरणे मंगलवदने मंगलदायिनी कामाक्षी गुरुगुह जननी कुरु कल्याणं कुंजर जननी कामाक्षी. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is super lovely composition. We are enjoying the devotion. There are a lot of benefits by chanting this every day. So try and practice this. I have given the lyrics. Those who want to join my classes on devotion stotras and amazing and brilliant Sanskrit poetry, Chandas Shastra, that is about poetic meters, and then light Carnatic classical music, etc. And also matrimony services I am doing. For all this, please contact me on 8762-331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. I am Suhas DB, myself manager, Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Bangalore 11. So in the next upcoming video, I am going to give you the verbatim meanings of this lovely composition, my dear friends, and we will take up lot of other fantastic devotional sutras also from the ocean of Sanskrit literature. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tipi. Hari Om Susti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste. Thank you.